Finding the right impact socket set can make all the difference when you're working with high-torque tools like impact wrenches. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 impact socket sets on Amazon. Starting off our list is the DEWALT 23-piece 1/2-inch drive impact socket set. This set combines rugged build quality with a smart design. The sockets are made from heat-treated CR 440 steel and feature a black oxide finish that resists corrosion and wear. DEWALT's signature direct torque technology helps prevent fastener rounding and ensures a solid grip, even during heavy-duty applications. The included case is compact and well-organized, making it easy to transport or store in your toolbox. For users who need a well-rounded mid-size set with performance they can trust, this DEWALT kit offers exceptional value and durability. Next is the MILWAUKEE SHOCKWAVE 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 29-piece, known for its premium-grade construction and thoughtful features. This set includes both SAE and metric sizes with laser-etched, high-visibility markings, making it easy to find the right socket even in dimly lit garages. MILWAUKEE's impact sockets are forged from high-strength alloy steel and tested for optimal durability with high-torque cordless impact wrenches. The standout feature is the included pack-out compatible case, which integrates seamlessly with MILWAUKEE's storage system. Reviewers consistently praise this set for its precision fit, smooth operation, and long-lasting performance. It's a top-tier choice for professionals who rely on their tools daily and want gear that can withstand years of abuse. Our third pick is the VEVOR 65-piece 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, which offers the most extensive selection on our list at an extremely competitive price point. This comprehensive kit includes both SAE and metric sockets in shallow and deep variants, along with several accessories such as adapters and extension bars. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel, each socket is coated to resist rust and ensure a long service life. Users love the wide size range, which goes up to 1¼ inches, making it suitable for everything from brake jobs to suspension work. For budget-conscious buyers or anyone building out a home garage toolkit, the VEVOR set delivers unbeatable coverage without sacrificing quality. Fourth on the list is the NEIKO 02448A 65-piece master impact socket set, another crowd favorite offering both breadth and durability. This set is made from premium chrome vanadium steel and designed to meet ANSI standards, ensuring consistent quality across the board. The set includes deep and shallow sockets, both SAE and metric, as well as U-joints and adapters to expand its functionality. The sockets feature highly legible size markings and are housed in a heavy-duty blow-molded case for easy storage. What makes this set stand out is its balance of affordability and professional-grade construction. Mechanics, hobbyists, and off-road enthusiasts frequently recommend NEIKO for its reliability and variety. Rounding out our list is the CASOMAN 49-piece 3/8 drive impact socket set, which is ideal for users who want a compact yet capable set. It includes both SAE and metric sizes in deep and shallow formats, made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a phosphate coating to resist corrosion. This set is perfect for automotive tasks in tight spaces, where a 3/8 drive is more maneuverable than bulkier alternatives. The sockets are clearly labeled, and the included case is sturdy and well-designed for portability. CASOMAN has earned a reputation for delivering solid tools at a reasonable price, and this kit is no exception. It's particularly useful for mechanics who need a secondary, more nimble set alongside their larger 1/2-inch drive kits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews and practical recommendations to keep your projects moving forward.